How to use Discord as a server administrator. Being a server admin on Discord means managing people, channels, roles, and overall behavior within your server. Start by clicking on your server name, then select server settings. Under roles, you can create permission levels, admins, mods, members, and define what each can do. Assign these roles to users in the member tabs. Use audit log to monitor actions like deleted messages or kicked users. You can also set up verification labels, moderation tools, and content filters. Use bots to help with moderation. Set them to auto delete spam, assign roles, or greet new members. Are you currently an admin? Tell us what tools or bots you find most useful in the comments below. Managing a server well means creating a safe, structured, and welcoming space for your community. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.